Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to understand the LinkedIn Recruiter search algorithm, step by step, fully updated for 2026. We'll start right from logging in and go through key factors that affect your profile visibility in recruiter searches. First, log into your LinkedIn account at linkedin.com, use your credentials, and make sure you're on your main professional account. A complete and active account is the first step for search ranking. Next, open Settings and Privacy, Arrow Visibility, Arrow Profile, Viewing Options. Make sure your profile is visible as your name and headline so recruiters can find you. Now, understand how the search algorithm works. LinkedIn uses multiple factors: profile completeness, keywords in your headline and about section, current and past roles, skills, endorsements, recommendations, and activity on the platform. Start with your headline. Include your current role, key skills, and industry-specific terms. For example, software engineer, React and Node.js, full stack developer. Keywords are crucial for ranking. Next, focus on your About section. Include keywords naturally describing your experience, achievements, and job preferences. This helps LinkedIn match you with relevant recruiter searches. Update experience and skills. Use proper job titles, measurable achievements, and industry-specific keywords. Add at least 15 to 20 skills and request endorsements from colleagues. Keep your public profile visible. Go to Settings, Arrow Visibility, Arrow. Edit your public profile. A publicly visible profile ranks higher in searches. Engage regularly on LinkedIn. Post updates, share articles, comment on industry discussions, and join relevant groups. Activity signals LinkedIn that your profile is active and relevant. Finally, collect recommendations. Authentic recommendations from colleagues or managers improve trust and search ranking. And that's it. By logging in correctly, setting profile visibility, optimizing headline, about, experience, and skills, engaging on the platform, and gathering recommendations, you can understand and improve how LinkedIn Recruiter Search ranks your profile. Hey everyone!